everyone, welcome along to the channel today. Now today I was actually going to be out with my Mere 6x6, but unfortunately I've not got any film for it at the moment. I've ordered a load, just waiting for it to get to me, to be honest with you. So I've got some HB5 sitting around, but it was just too quick for these sunny days and pinholes. I have run a roll of that through it already and pulled it to 100, and it just didn't really have the look that I was after. So I'm waiting for some Pana 50 to come, which will be certainly much better on these brighter days. So I'm back out today with my Mere 4x5. I'm going to try it down at the beach, try and get some seascapey shots. So I'm heading down to a spot known as Hope Gap. I've been here several times before. It's on the location of the Seven Sisters, one of my favourite parts. But today we've got a high tide. Normally I come at low tide, you get some real nice rocks. It's sunny and I'll be shooting towards the sun, which means sun flare, which I don't like, but we've got some amazing clouds, so I'm hoping I can time the shots as the sun's over as the cloud is over the sun, to kind of reduce that chance. So we'll just see how it goes. We'll see what we can get. Like I say, I can get down here for a little bit, and I'm gonna maybe have a plod along over towards Cuckmere Haven, and then maybe, depending how it goes, back over the hill down into Seaford and see if I can get anything there. So I've got I'm loaded up with some Ilford Delta today, so yeah, should hopefully be a nice little trip. It is absolutely freezing, do not believe this sunshine. It's one of them days you wake up, the sun is beaming through the window, but you step outside in your shorts and t-shirt and it's absolutely bitter today. But hey, it's good to be out, so we'll see what we can find. So I'm just doing a quick meter reading. Getting about, I've added a 2-stop to this for a filter. So we're getting about 2 in the sky, 4 in the foreground. So I'm going to go for about 3 seconds. Adding the reciprocity to that on Ilford Delta is 4 seconds. So we can get a nice little shot of that. Right, so I've got the camera all set up. I'm going to round the exposure up to 6 seconds. Just waiting for the sun to disappear behind that big old cloud and take the first shot. So I'm going to set up a shot here. Steps going into the sea. Okay, so I've taken the filter off this one. I want a slightly shorter exposure, so I've got about 4 seconds, which should be enough. If I get it right with the wave just crashing up around here, it should be enough just to kind of get that movement, all just kind of circling around the base of the camera and with the filter it's going to be a bit too long. Oh, I've got some big ones. Now one of the things I really like about this is, I've said it a few times, is if you do get hit by waves or sand and stuff, you can just strip this whole camera down. Push the shutter system out, clean it up, dry it up, put it all back. Okay, so got a quick shot set up with the bench with the view. Couldn't resist it really. Again, just waiting for that sun. I was hoping it'd, I probably should have gone further around actually. Okay, change of plan. I am going further around. I know there's some more benches further around. It's quite nice with the shadow on the ground actually. When the sun's out, so when that goes, you lose all that sort of light I was saying about. So I'm going to go further around, find one where the sun's just out of frame, and try another one. Right, this one should be better. Sun's should be just tucked out here. So I'll quickly try and set this up. Right, so I'm going to go for a 6-second exposure. I've got the red filter on. I might just try, that sun might just be running across the filter, which I don't really want. So let's try and just block that out. I have to block out this camera actually. Just, where is it? There we go. Bit of a wobble on the end there, but should have put my spikes on. Makes a big difference, them spikes. Never mind. Okay, so putting my last one down here, a quick one of these old seed defences. Again, just waiting for that sun to disappear. And I think about another 6 seconds probably. So I've got the red filter on again. Should just help knock that exposure back a little bit and darken up them blues in the sky and stuff. So just wait for that sun to go. Wait for that cloud over there, I think. up. Heading over to Seaford. I'm going to walk. I've got a car at the top and drive around. See if I can get anything there. Problem is, all along there, you can see the rain absolutely hammering it down, and I think it's pretty much coming straight this way. It might just miss. So I'm going to try and get to Seaford before the rain hits, but I know there's a little coffee shop at the top here, so I'm stopping there regardless. So we'll worry about the rain another day. It just started snowing. Okay, so thankfully missed a little bit of a snowstorm while I was at my nice coffee and cake, so thanks to all my Buy Me a Coffee supporters for that. So I'm going to quickly head over to Seaford and hopefully get something there quickly. So I'm just down Splash Point in Seaford now. I'm going to try and get my last couple of shots down here before heading back. Still spitting a little bit, but I'm a bit more tucked out the wind down here, so I'm going to try and get maybe a couple more here quickly and call it a day. So I'll have a quick little look around, see what we can find. Just gonna go up there, try a quick shot. I've just been up there, it's proper slippy. A few years back you could get down here, but it's all been washed away now, so I've got to be a bit careful. So yeah, set a quick shot up and keep it quick down here. Don't want to be down here too long. Okay, so the sun didn't seem to want to be vanishing, so it sort of went behind a bit of a cloud, but I didn't really want to stay down there too long, so it might be a bit flary, that one. I had the red filter one, so just have to wait and see, but it'd be nice to see what the composition's like and come back on a better day. So it's always good to get them shots. Now just got to get back. Gonna try one on the edge here, just looking straight down. I know at a lower tide you get all the like a line of rocks coming out, which is quite nice, but at least there'll be a pointing away from the sun. Get a quick meter reading, see what we got. Okay, so got about 8 second exposure, 5 second metered. I was just trying to set up a minute ago and a gust of wind almost blew the camera off the edge. So quickly. Okay everyone, so that is it. I really hope you've enjoyed the video and I hope you've enjoyed the photos. If you want to know a bit more about this camera, this is the Mia 4x5. My previous 2 videos have been on this. It's a prototype 3D printed camera. I've been testing it. So make sure you go check them out. Hopefully it'll be available soon. The designer, Andrea, has gone through the final tweaks hopefully and getting it all ready and finalised. Yeah. So hopefully next time I'll be out of the 6x6 version. I should be getting the film through soon. So please make sure you join me for that if you're interested in that and all things pinhole. Make sure you subscribe. So thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you next time.